In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with friends between PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can set up a multiplayer game on Minecraft to play with your friends who are on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. First, I want to make it very clear that I am going to be recording this video on my PC using an Xbox controller. I apologize for not being able to record a PlayStation screen at the moment, but the instructions that I give you will work flawlessly for your PlayStation console, so keep that in mind. So what you have to do is first of all set up a Microsoft account. This is very important, especially if you want to do crossplay later down the line. It might not be needed if you are going to be playing exclusively with people on PlayStation, but I highly recommend that you do it nonetheless to avoid any sort of errors. So go over to settings, choose the account category, and if you haven't already, sign in with a Microsoft account. This is also going to be needed if you are going to be playing online on public servers. You will also see the option at the left side of the screen on the home page if you aren't signed in. Once you have a Microsoft account set up and you have a custom gamer tag, now you can go over to play and choose any world that you would like to play with your friends, or go over to create new world. When you go to any world and you choose the option to add it or you create a new one, you will have the multiplayer tab, and this is the most important thing. In here you will be able to customize the player access. If you are doing this on a console, unlike me who is on a PC, you will see the options to manage the Microsoft Player Access and the PlayStation Network Player Access. So you can make it so only invited players on a specific platform can join, you can make it so anyone who is your friend on that platform can join, and you can make it the friends of friends. Set it up however you prefer. And as long as you have multiplayer game enabled and the permissions set up for the PlayStation Network, you can go ahead and join your world. Once you are inside of the world, you will be able to send out the invites to everyone who is going to be playing. So once you join the world, pause at any point, go over to the right side of the screen and choose Invite to Game. In here, you should see your PlayStation Network friends. You can highlight them and then send out the invites. If you need to add friends who are outside of the PlayStation Network, press the triangle button in this menu and you will be able to share your gamer tag or look for your friends using their own gamer tag. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.